Okay, so lesson 2, learning a new piece. This time it's going to be Beauty and the Beast. So screenshot this because you might want to come back to it a little bit later. And what I'm going to do is just quickly remind you of what we had before. So we had a pear for 2 beats. We had a crotchet, which was 1 beat, which is a plum. You've got the half beat here, which is quaver, which is an apple, and we also had the pomegranate. We're not going to come across the pomegranate just yet. So we've got apple, plum, pear. If we go back to Beauty and the Beast, you can see once again we've got those 2 apples next to each other. So we've got apple, apple, pear. And what we've got here is these little black dots are rests. You don't play anything. And if they're little square rests like that, it means that you don't play for 2 beats. So you can see here, we've got one here, so 1, 2, apple, apple, pear, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2, apple, apple, pear, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2, apple, apple, pear, 2, apple, apple, pear, 2, apple, apple, pear. Okay, so that is the rhythm. It's a really simple rhythm. So we're going to focus more on what we do with our fingers this time. So G, E, G, B, C, F. Let's have a look at that on the keyboard. So, okay, so we've got this. Now, we've got quite a wide range here. We're going to need to also keep our little finger free for a little bit later. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and back on the F there. So E, G, B, C, F. And then the next one, we'll go E, G, B, C, D. And that's when we're using our little finger there. So probably best just to do that bit first. So, and then E, G, B, C, D. So the E, G, B, C is the same every time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first time we're going back to the F, which is on the 1. And the second time we're going to the D, which is your finger 5. So E, G, B, C, F, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2, E, G, B, C, D, 2, and so on. Okay, so just to remind you, what I was saying there with those rests are those little black dots that we've got over here. So we had 2 there, which I didn't count, but E, G, B, C, D, F, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, E, G, B, C, D, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this bit here, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, is really nice because it's just going up with your fingers and going back down. However, it is higher up the keyboard. So I need to put a few more notes in here. There we go. So put an F and a G because it's up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's that bit. So just show you where that was. There it is. There, just there, and that C there. I don't know if you can see that first C. There is actually higher than all these notes over here, which means that we need to play it up the piano. So the whole first bit looks a little bit like this. E, G, B, C, F, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2. E, G, B, C, D, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2. C, D, E, F, G, and G, F, E, D, C. And then the very last bit is a little bit tricky. Again, not great for small fingers, but we've got the F, E, C, A, G, F, E, C, A, G. So we're going up to this top F here. F, E, C, A, G. Now, if you could try and do that, but that's a bit uncomfortable even for me. So I would probably do something along the lines of F, E, C, A, and then maybe if I landed my thumb on the A, do the G there, because actually that would prepare me for what's going to come next anyway. So F, E, C, A, 1 finger over, so number 2 over, F, E, C, A, G. So the whole of that first bit sounds like this. 1, 2, E, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, rest, 2, rest, 2. And. Okay, now, when you're playing, what I'm not talking about so far is making sure you're on your fingertips. It's not very easy to see, Ryan, but you can probably see that you've not really seen my fingernails so far. That's because I'm on my fingertips. It's sort of like a spider walking across the piano. In fact, my piano teacher used to call him Archibald the Spider. So if you can see your fingernails, your fingers are too flat. They should be nice and on your fingertips like that. So I'll just do that first bit again. 1, 2, E, G, B, C, F, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2, E, G, B, C, D, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2, C, D, E, F, G, and G, F, E, D, C, and F, E, C, A, G. Now the next bit on the page is exactly the same. I don't know if I've actually put it on this PowerPoint. Oh yeah, there we go. So the red box and the blue box are identical. Ignore that bit there. We just take that out for the year 7s, but we're going to keep it in there for now. So we just this last bit here, E, F, D, E, C is the only bit we need to learn. So we put that back now. So E, F, D, E, C, and it's right up here where we did the. And we're going to go E, F, D, E, C. You should end on your thumb. So start on your 3. E, F, D, E, C, Beauty and the Beast. And that's the last bit. So you end up doing the whole tune that we just done twice. And at the end of it, you add on the E, F, D, E, C. So I'll show you what the whole thing looks like. Here we go. 1, 2, E, G, B, C, F. 2, rest, 2, rest, 2, E, G, B, C, D, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2, C, D, E, F, G, and G, F, D, C, C, oops, F, E, C, A, G, 2, rest, again, C, E, F, oops, sorry, 1, 2, 1, 2, E, G, B, C, D, 2, rest, 2, rest, 2, C, D, E, F, G, and G, F, E, D, C, and E, F, D, E, C. And that's the whole of the Beauty and the Beast theme. At some point we'll do some on the left hand as well, so it feels a bit more like the song because it's a bit bare at the moment. But I'm going to do it one more time without singing or playing, saying the notes. Just so you can follow along with it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Good luck.